Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share on how we can insert a check mark in Microsoft Word with the easiest way possible. So let's go quick into it. Now let's open Microsoft Word. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now let me show you how we can simply do that. So I'm just going to type in here backslash. Now let me backslash and then type check. Let me increase the size, so font size. And then if I press the space key, it will turn into a check mark. Now by that, you can simply add a check mark for your documents or for your text right here. Now, how did I do that? How did I go instantly? By just typing the backslash and then check, and then it turned into a check mark, okay? You will find the insert tab right here at the top. And here you'll find symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and click on more symbols. Now here you will find the font. Click on this drop down arrow and then scroll down to the W section and look for the windings, this one, or the wingdings. Click on wingdings and then scroll down to the bottom and you'll find two check marks. You have this one and then you have this one. Now obviously you can simply click on that and then click on insert, and if I close this, you have that. But we can simply do that by just typing a character. So let's go back to symbol, click on more symbols, and then scroll down, and then choose the check mark, and here you will find autocorrect. So we need to type in here the shortcuts that we can use to come up directly with a check mark. Now earlier I used backslash and then check, but I already used that. So I'm going to add number 3. So you need to make sure that it is something that you can easily remember. And then you just need to click on add and click on OK. And then close this. Now let me try. If I type backslash, check, and then 3 and hit the space key on keyboard, it will easily turn into a check mark. So that's it. And I hope this helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.